Oh, she bumped into the camera.
Sophie!
Dude, you can't attack the camera. Is Brian there, Sophie? I like how she just like looked at the camera.
See, he's not here. Hello.
She jumped out again.
Cheers. My coach, she said pneumonia. So
Sophie.
I have to show what I've learned. You guys help me with making a cheers. Oh, help, help, Sophie. I prayed they would as you can see, I've improved. That's a fact. Do it. Surprisingly, I started to feel like part of the team. Yeah. Ow, you're hurting me. Go over there. Confidence in myself. I think I'm starting to open up a little bit and like expand to more, talk to more girls, and like talk to more people.
she just like jumped at you.
That's what makes her so bad. I don't know why.
Because she wants you to go get Brian.
But Brian isn't there, Sophie.
Sophie! Hey! You want Brian? Is that it? Huh? I got it. You want Brian, Sophie?
You want Brian? Say it, sorry,
Sophie, you want Brian?
Aww.
You want Brian, Sophie? Is that it, huh? Toy to the row.
You want Brian? Sophie, you want Brian?
Sophie, psst. Hey, you want Brian? Sophie, you want Brian? Huh?
Sophie, you want Brian? Do you want Brian? Do you want Brian?
Sophie, you want Brian? You want Brian? You want Brian, Sophie? You want Brian, Sophie?